Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to make channel admin on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap Updates from bottom menu. Then scroll and tap your channel name. Tap three dots on top right. Then tap Channel Info. Scroll down and under followers you will see invite admin. Tap invite admins. Admins can send updates. Admin can also change the channel's profile and settings. You are visible to other admins. Admins for the channel can see your phone number, profile picture and name, but followers can't. Tap invite. Now tap search button on top right. Enter the person name you would like to invite as admin. Then tap on the contact. Tap tick sign. WhatsApp will send this message to your selected admin. Tap send button. Invite sent. Under channel settings you will see admin invites. Right now invited. When the person tap view invite, then need to tap accept invite. That's it. You will see channel admins added. So these are the steps to make channel admin on WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.